today I'm going to show you how to operate the Barbie camper. We have the accessories that come with it right over here. And we also have two dolls that are Chelsea and Barbie. You guys can get this for Christmas or for your birthday. I got this for my birthday. There are lots of interesting things that come with it. Even a pool. That is really cool. So first, I'm going to show you what comes with it. It comes with 2 pillows, 2 trays for the fridge, 2 toothbrushes, a remote control, spatula, a bowl of popcorn, a pan with fried eggs that are heart-shaped, milk, eggs, marshmallows on a stick, a towel, 2 stools to sit on around the campfire, a campfire, 2 water bottles, orange juice, lotion, and they are plates with spoons. I have not opened it so I can give an example. Mostly all these accessories come with the little plastic bag. Next, we have seat belts for the chairs so that the driver can sit and the rider. Let's put those here. We have 2 chairs. You can put them on the dining table or you could put them on the driver's seat. And then we have a table. We also have these. They're called hammocks. We have 2 of them. Now look carefully at the pretty design. It's really pretty. We also have this blanket here for the bed. It's with polka dots. So now, let's get started. First, you guys have got to look at these flarp putties. There are color changing, big bounce, and glow putty. See them at the corner that you see. And also, whenever you're done, comment hashtag flarp putty. It will appear right on the screen how to spell it. So next, let's actually open the camper. So there's like this button at the top right here. So you have to press it. And then it will open. Whoopsies. It also comes with this pool here. And then it has a bed area where they can sleep. There's also a ladder. First, let's show you the bathroom. So it comes with the shower curtain and the shower. It also comes with this foldable sink. It also comes with this toilet that actually opens, and this closet here where you can put stuff in them. And plus, it also comes with the towel here. Let's put it here. And it also comes with the 2 toothbrushes and the lotion. Let's put that here instead. So now, let's put the lotion on the sink over here. Right here. That's where it goes. And you can also put the toothbrushes in this little cup, right next to the lotion. Or it could be hand soap or shampoo. So we also have this towel again, shower curtain, toilet, and foldable sink with closet. And now let's go to the living room. It comes with this table, so it's also kind of like a dining room. The table comes with these chairs that the driver can also sit in. And if you remove the table, you can see 2 hammocks, a TV, and it also comes with this remote, realistic one, and a window that is also an outdoor table. So that is very interesting. So you can also eat here. So it's kind of like a living room and a dining room at the same time. Some houses are like that, where you can eat and watch TV at the same time. My house, I get to watch TV and eat at the same time, but it's just not in the same room. Next, we have these plates and spoons. I'm not going to open it yet, because I already have a lot. Now, we are going to put chairs over here and see how they look. They look fabulous. And then, we are going to turn to see the kitchen. First, you guys have to see the top of it. And then there's also this bed here. We will see that later. So we have the kitchen. Mine. You like this, Mom? Grape. Guys, we have these 2 pillows that are pink and purple. We're going to put one here and one here. Now, we have this polka dot blanket, which we are going to put here. And we have 2 handbags too that are really beautiful, but they also go in the living room. So that is really cool. Whenever I got this, I did not expect to have handbags. Let's put them on here. Over here. There's another one here, which we have another hook here. Oops. Oopsies. I'm going to put one here. Put the other one over here. That looks good. Don't forget to like. So okay guys, now it's time to do the pool. I put 2 balls in it. But before we do the pool, I want you guys to see the Mini Boots collectibles up in the corner. It's an amazing video. And don't forget to like that video. And after that, you'll see DIY Chelsea a Barbie backpack up in the corner. Now, to put the pool over here, you have to climb it on this. Unfold the ladder. And we're going to fill it up with water. Let's see if these bowls will float. Fill her up. Water is so clear. Now let's put some mermaid dolls in it. Here is one. And here is 2. They look really happy in the pool. The pool is blue. It does not come with these balls. And the balls do not float very well. Maybe it's because we didn't add much water. Now, it's time for us to see the camp part. So it comes with 4 sticks with marshmallows on them, 2 chairs, and a campfire. You just have to let the dolls sit on the chairs and put the sticks on their hands. And they can enjoy the outdoors. It looks so fantastic. We have done the bathroom, the living room, the bed, the kitchen, and the camp set, which is really fun. So that is how you play with the camper, and you can use your imagination. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like this video. Also share. So don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell. Like and comment down below. Be sure to comment #Barbie up in the screen somewhere whenever you are done. Bye!